If you plan to export your game to mobile, it is better to convert your project to URP, or Universal Render Pipeline. Open the Package Manager, search for Universal RP or URP, and install it. Then right-click in the project window and go to Create, Rendering URP Asset with Universal Renderer. Two new assets will appear. One, URP Asset. Two, URP Asset Renderer. Rename at least one of them to avoid confusion. Now go to Edit, Project Setting, Graphics. Assign the URP asset you just created to the scriptable render pipeline setting slot or simply drag and drop it there. Click Confirm or Continue and wait for the process to finish. After this step, you may notice that some game objects turn pink. Don't worry, this is expected. Go to Window, Rendering, Render Pipeline Converter, select Material Upgrade, then click Convert. Depending on your project, you may also want to convert other available options. After conversion, most of the pink material will be fixed. In this case, the remaining pink objects are caused by a forest asset that does not support URP, so I re-imported the URP version of the same forest package. Always make sure the Unity assets you use support URP. To confirm that your project is now using URP, go to Edit, Project Setting, Quality. If the render pipeline slot is filled with a URP asset, your project is running in URP mode.